South Cirrus 5901 Sierra Charlie, ready to taxi with Oscar at Atlantic.
Cirrus looking to taxi. Did you pick up a clearance yet?
Negative, I'll get no response over there.
How do you expect to taxi without a clearance? Does this sound like you're like a small VFR airport or something?
Negative.
Stand by, I gotta get a clearance for you. I'm busy working air carriers, I don't care about your VFR request.
Vegas Crown, good evening. Is that Jet 598, signature Oscar, ready taxi?
That's Jet 598, ground 19 right, taxi, hotel.
Vegas Crown, is that Jet 598, signature Oscar, ready taxi?
That's Jet 598, ground 19 right, taxi, hotel.
19 right via hotel, that's Jet 598.
Is Cirrus looking for a VFR request at a call sign altitude, and what's the airport? Wow, Cirrus calling for VFR clearance. Say again.
Yeah, I'm not getting any response from clearance on ACCF.
Wow, calling, looking for a response on clearance. Who is it?
Cirrus 5901 Sierra Charlie.
Sierra Charlie, confirm.
Affirmative, 1 Sierra Charlie.
1 Sierra Charlie, do you have information, Oscar?
Affirmative.
Well, apparently you didn't listen to it because it clearly states for the last 4 hours that clearance delivery is on 121.1. Stand by. Jet 598 monitored at 19.9.
19.9 is Jet 598,
Cirrus 591 Sierra Charlie, say altitude and what's the airport?
I'm looking to get following to John Wayne Airport. We'll take 8,500, please. 591 Sierra Charlie.
Stand by. Cirrus 1 Sierra Charlie, have your clearance ready to copy.
Ready, copy.
Cirrus 1 Sierra Charlie, you're cleared out of Class Bravo airspace on departure, fly heading 175, maintain 7,000. Departure frequency on 125.9, squawk 4763.
Go to the Class Bravo on 175 heading, maintain 7,000, call 125.9 and squawk 4763, Cirrus 591 Sierra Charlie.
1 Sierra Charlie, readback is correct. Just confirm where you parked at this time.
I'm at Atlantic and I'm ready to taxi now. 1 Sierra Charlie.
1 Sierra Charlie, Roger, get you moving here in a few minutes. I have 2 business jets ahead of you.